So Adelwis had asked me to do some drone footage of his lot, and I went out and did a couple of drone videos of it, and I came back and I asked him, I'm like, well, so what kind of music do you want me to put to it? I didn't ask him. I said, what kind of music do you like, or what kind of music should I put to your drone footage? He says, well, I like country and EDM, but usually when I do drone music, I do like, soft, easy listening music. But you know me, if you know me, you know I don't follow the status quo. So I found some soft EDM music to put to Adelwis's drone video. So I hope you like it. So here's that video of his lot. So what do you think of my EDM music I picked? Was it a good choice? Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.